Bob Armstrong here, introducing my CoSy computing interface in Open from the Chip to the Math. Let me start from the point where you have fourth CoSy on your C drive, and just tap this shortcut fourth CoSy to start it up. And this is the opening window that you should see. If you have trouble with any antivirus thing, because there's a false alarm that happens for some antivirus on the Riva 4th that's underneath this. But in any case, this is the window, this is CoSy. And essentially, just to go and give an overview, first of all, there are really three main windows here. You'll see a result window, your working text window, and a state window where things are stable. In general use, you'll see that, well, here, let me just go and follow these instructions. The actual key help up here we'll get to and refer back to when a specific aspect is used. Actually, first of all, and this is one of the most fundamental things, is that time pervades everything you do, and keeping contemporaneous time-stamped notes is what counts when you're in court, which unfortunately is part of the business of life that CoSy has existed to address. So in any case, we come here into a little bit of white space. I can hit return and make some more. And what does it say? On a blank line below, tap F12. Well, what is F12? Insert a day line at the cursor. Okay, so I'm hitting F12. And there's a new day line in my notes. And then it says tap enter, tap F11. And I'm going to do something starting, let me go in as a matter of fact. Demo, okay. Now I'll hit F11 again. Whoops, I must have hit the, I turned on, that's what you get. That's, you'll see that's shift F11, it puts down this extended timestamp, serious timestamp, but generally when within just the day lines and so forth, just the hour and minute work. But again, everything is open code, so all of the vocabulary that creates these words, there's a tremendous amount of variation. This is probably without question one of the most malleable systems in existence. In any case, let's see. I gotta get my there. I've got taps shift lock off. So I've made a note, and when I hit F11, it saved that. And if there's anything that's solid in CoSy, and it's really the code that got this all started, is when you hit a timestamp, F11, it saves the current text. You'll also see here Control S will save text also. You've seen the interaction between the text window and which is generally used. I'm going to go down to today's notes and just very shortly, but let me go through some of this most fundamental basics. Hello world is like the most standard comment you can have. You've seen me just, I can write down things, anything that I want, and CoSy doesn't care unless, as we have up here, which is about to disappear, F6 evaluates the line under that the cursor is on, so and presents in the res window any result. So this is fourth is got the simplest syntax possible, because sort of philosophically it is the minimal vocabulary to build a dictionary capable of extending itself. So any non-blank string of characters is a fourth word, which, and see definitions, but S quote says, okay, read everything until the closing quote, and return it as a CoSy string. So to go and print or return hello world, it's just I F6'd that line, and the result is there in the res window. To see that that's an object, it's a string, it happens to be, and everything in CoSy is a list. It's just the fundamental objects are lists of lists, or of leaves, which are lists of characters or integers or floats. Row is an old APL word which means count or length, and I just, having lived my life in APL, that's the character. So anyway, you can see here in res that that string has 12 letters in it. To go and give you, and here this goes into what the little bit more stuff, but let me come down here and just go through these exercises, which you should be able to replicate. The word colon, just a simple colon, and this shows the succinctness of Chuck Moore, which he and I've never asked Chuck whether he ever met Ken, but in terms of this going to minimalism, the two of them are, and that's the thing, is either you're into this minimalism and the power that it supplies, or you're not. But in any case, word colon says, okay, go and take the next word and add that to the dictionary, and the definition is just simply what comes after it, up to the semicolon.